What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to see if somebody added you back as a friend on Snapchat. Now Snapchat kind of make this confusing for you. If you add someone, it doesn't necessarily show if they added you back. You kind of have to go into a separate menu to see exactly what I'm talking about here. But of course, I'm just going to launch the Snapchat app open. So once you're in Snapchat, as you can see here, and you're on the camera icon, you're going to hit your profile picture or your Bitmoji in the top left corner there. And then when you're on this menu, you're just going to have to scroll a little bit down and you'll eventually see a headline where it says My Friends. Sort of towards the bottom, there are the headlines. You could see your best friends with all the Bitmojis lined up there. And right above that is the Add Friend tab. And you're actually going to click on this to see if somebody added you back. And you can see the Added Me tab right there. And those are showing all of the recent people that have added me on Snapchat. So for this example, let's say you did add someone on Snapchat and you wanted to see if they added you back. Their name would appear at the top of the list. And that is just an easy way to check if somebody added you back on Snapchat. If you did have any questions though on how this works or how to do this, comment down below and I will try to help you down there. Other than that, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.